So modern language models can now ingest large volumes of unstructured data, text, disclosure. They can extract relevant information, draft analytical narratives, and support continuous monitoring. What this means is analysts are kind of changing how they think about their role, their responsibilities. Very quickly, analysts are now becoming supervisor of automated systems that can synthesize information at scale, and tasks that historically required days of manual effort can now be completed in minutes. For those who are not that in touch with this currently, that might sound like an exaggeration. Not only is it not an exaggeration, it's going to get more extreme in the second half of the year. Teams of credit analysts are shifting from information assembly and gathering to automated interpretation and oversight. But underlying this whole presentation today is the fact that human ownership and accountability remain essential.